Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look tonight at MicroStrategy stock. Now this one is down by 2.8% and honestly I don't think that's that bad given the context of everything that we're seeing. I think there's still a lot of positivity to take away from today. I'll get to why I think that in just a second. I must first say though, if you do enjoy these videos, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It does help me out a lot. I'd also like to remember that this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor, so do make sure you do your own research. Finally, I do now have a Patreon page. You can find the link in the description. I've just written you guys an article about some of the most important factors to consider this week in the markets and some of the things that I'm paying the most attention to, alongside a video that I've just made looking at 4 stocks which I think have great potential, including one that has, in my opinion, 10 times potential, so it could be really interesting. Again, link is in the description. Now, jumping straight into today's video, let's get over and look at MicroStrategy stock. Now we're in a market today where it looks like almost all stocks are down, right? Lots and lots of stocks here are red today in the markets. However, MicroStrategy stock is holding up with a lot of strength. You have a look at what's going on, and I think one thing that stands out to me very well is that we do so far appear to be holding above this channel at 33, 34. And I said this before, this is a channel for this stock. Let's zoom in and make one of these 1 hour if we can, because what I'm trying to say here is this is a channel that I don't like very much. This channel from, let's call it 134 down to 122. This is a channel of this stock, and you can zoom out and you'll see it in even more detail. This is a channel that we've seen the stock being sat in many a time in the past. We've bounced off of this once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times or so. We don't want to go back down to there. So it's as simple for me this week, tomorrow, the next couple of days, seeing this one hold these levels. Now, to be honest, I'm very impressed that we've been able to hold where we are today. I think it is a very good sign. I think it shows a lot of strength, and I think it does set us up for the next potential bounce if we are able to see that. Again, if we start dropping down to the 330s, 320 I should say, high 320s, that's when things in my mind get a little bit concerning, because again, I don't want to see this one break back into that channel. We did briefly touch upon it, but we don't want to go much lower than this 328 mark at all. It's really that basic. Now to the upside, if we are able to hold, and if we aren't able to hold onto these, you could be looking to retest 320 again, I should say. Now to the upside, if we are able to break this, first levels to touch upon, they're going to be 340, then you're then looking for 340, 450, then you're potentially looking up to 350. Right from there, you could be looking to retest 358, 360, and I think 360 to 365, in my head, you guys may agree, you may not, is where a full-on breakout is confirmed. I think today's not been the worst thing in the world. Like I say, indicators such as the RSI taking that time now to cool off, not inherently a bad thing, but again, that's just my thoughts and opinions on it. I think things are looking very okay. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it down in the comment section. Again, you can join me over on Patreon and we can have discussions about stuff, but that's really it for now. Thank you guys, and I hope I'll see you again soon. You guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day? I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from 1450 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.